Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today we are cleaning up our language. We're tackling 5 common mistakes you're making and how to fix them.
Mistakes, Rachel. I make them every time I open my mouth. Yesterday, in a meeting, I said, I agree with you, and everyone looked at me like I had 2 heads. I felt like a total amateur.
A total amateur. That's someone who lacks skill. But Joey, agree is the #1 mistake for English learners worldwide.
Number 1? Really? I thought I was special. Why is it wrong? It sounds right in my head.
It's because agree is a verb, not an adjective. You don't say I am eat or I am run, right? You just say I agree.
I agree. Simple. No am, no is, no are. I'm deleting am from my vocabulary right now. What is mistake number 2?
It's the classic people is. I hear it all the time in the office.
People is? Like people is happy that it's Friday? What's wrong with that? People is one group, isn't it?
No, Joey. People is the plural of person. It's irregular. You must say people are.
People are. So one person is, but 2 people are. I've been getting that wrong for 10 years, Rachel. I'm mortified.
Mortified. That's a fancy word for extremely embarrassed. Don't worry, Joey. Let's move to mistake number 3, using since instead of for.
Since and for. I always guess those. I said I've been a developer since 5 years. Is that okay?
No, you use since for a specific point in time, like since 2021. You use for a duration, like for 5 years.
Duration. That's the length of time. So since Monday, but for 3 days. I need a map for my brain, Rachel.
No map needed, just practice. Now, mistake number 4 is a tricky one. Informations.
Informations. Like, thanks for all the informations you sent me. I'm adding an S because it's a lot of info, right?
No, information is an uncountable noun. It has no plural. You can have a lot of information or a piece of information, but never informations.
Uncountable. Like water or sand. I can't count the info? English is bizarre. Okay, Rachel, let's talk about the ultimate confusion. Loose versus lose. I see this mistake even from native speakers on social media.
Ugh, that's a pet peeve of mine. Lose with 1 O is a verb, like don't lose your keys. Loose with 2 O's is an adjective, like these pants are too loose.
Pet peeve. That's something that really annoys you, right? So if I lose my loose change, I'm doing it right?
Exactly. 1 O for the verb, 2 O's for the fit. Memorize it.
Memorized. Okay, what is the final mistake, Rachel? I'm ready to be corrected one last time.
Mistake number 5 is discuss about.
Discuss about? Like, let's discuss about the new project. We talk about things, so we discuss about them, right? It's logical.
English isn't always logical, Joey. Discuss already includes the about. You just say, let's discuss the project.
Let's discuss the project. No about. I feel like I've learned more in 10 minutes than in a year of school. I'm enlightened.
Enlightened. That means having a greater understanding. But wait, Joey, we have a bonus mistake.
A bonus? Of course we do. What is it?
It's the word explain. People often say, explain me the rules.
Explain me? That sounds fine to me. What's the problem now?
You must explain something to someone. So explain the rules to me. You explain to Joey.
Explain to. I'm going to need a nap after this. My brain is overloaded.
Take a nap, Joey. You've done a great job. Correcting these fossilized errors will make you sound 100% more professional.
Fossilized errors, like old bones that are stuck in the ground. I'm digging them up and throwing them away.
That's the spirit. You're evolving as a speaker.
Evolving. I'm a new man. Well, I'm going to go discuss the dinner plans, know about, with my wife. Let's review our mistake-free vocabulary.
Vocabulary review. Amateur. Noun/adjective. Meaning, a person who is incompetent or inept at a particular activity, not professional. Example, the video was edited by an amateur, so the sound quality is quite poor. Fossilized error. Noun/phrase. Meaning, a mistake in a second language that has become a permanent habit and is very difficult to correct. Example, saying I am agree is a fossilized error for many students who have been learning English for years. Plural. Noun/adjective. Meaning, a word or form denoting more than one. Example, the plural of child is children, not childs. Mortified. Adjective. Meaning, feeling extremely embarrassed, ashamed, or humiliated. Example, I was mortified when I realized I had been wearing my shirt inside out all day. Duration. Noun. Meaning, the time during which something continues. Example, the duration of the flight from Bangkok to London is about 12 hours. Uncountable noun. Noun/phrase. Meaning, a noun that cannot be counted. Example, water, advice, information, and usually does not have a plural form. Example, you cannot say 3 advices. Advice is an uncountable noun. Bizarre. Adjective. Meaning, very strange or unusual, especially so as to cause interest or amusement. Example, he has a bizarre habit of wearing sunglasses inside the house. Pet peeve. Noun phrase. Meaning, something that a particular person finds especially annoying. Example, people who chew loudly are my biggest pet peeve. Loose versus lose. Vocabulary. Lose is a verb, to misplace. Loose is an adjective, not tight. Example, don't lose that loose screw or the chair will fall apart. Enlightened. Adjective, meaning having or showing a rational, modern, and well-informed outlook. Example, after the seminar, I felt much more enlightened about the new tax laws. Overloaded. Adjective/verb, meaning loaded with too many things or too much information. Example, my inbox is overloaded with junk mail this morning. Evolving. Verb/gerund, meaning developing gradually, especially from a simple to a more complex form. Example, the language is constantly evolving, with new slang words being added every year. Use this bridge to explore the world. We're always here for you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.